It.
kubectl
it-
ctl,
Yep.
not lt. Backspace, yeah. CTL. Can you increase the font size? I have to put a pressure on my eyes.
Um.
The control plus symbol.
No, the whole screen will get zoomed in. Okay, better.
Yeah, better. Yeah.
I'll close this chat
Yeah, yes,
so we
yes.
can zoom in much better.
kubectl space create space -f space pod.yml. No,
Or
pod,
dot pod
dot yml. Don't hit enter, okay?
yml. Yeah.
So what you are trying to do here is, you are trying to, this is a command, kubectl is a command, okay?
Mm.
This is common across all the Kubernetes. Now what you are using? Command called create, okay? So
Yeah.
what you are creating? Something, whatever is there in this file called pod.yml. Now, the file what you have open is pod.yml. Now, what is the content in this file is, let's read API version v1, kind pod. See, whatever the kind option is there, pod means you are creating a pod. If it is a replica set, you are creating a replica set. If it is a deployment, you are creating a deployment. If it is a config map, you are creating config map. If it is a volume, you are creating a volume, like that. Whatever is there in a kind, which means you are creating that particular instance of Kubernetes. Now, under metadata, the name is Arun pod. You can say Nazis pod. Remove that Arun.
And what is a pod again?
Pod is an instance where you're gonna deploy your application.
Okay.
Smallest unit of Kubernetes where you're gonna deploy your application. You have done images in Docker, right?
Yeah.
When you run the images, what will happen? It will convert into the container, correct? If you run same image 100 times, 100 containers will come. All the parts will be having a containers. So basically, this concept is of containerization. We are having the containers. Container means, you remember when we connected kubectl, Docker exe-it and the container ID and the bash, which means you connected to the particular container. In the container, we did the modify the data in a particular folder called user share nginx HTML, correct?
Yeah, that's a HTML file. Yeah.
And that we get a customized output. So your container is like a, imagine like your server. In the same way, in Kubernetes, if you want a container, you have to manage with the pods.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now the label is app
So,
student, that is fine. Specification containers, name my nginx, that is fine. Come down. Image, you are getting the image from hub.docker.com, which is a Docker IO library. This is where you are getting the latest image, and the container you are exposing it to the port 80. Okay. Now hit
what's
enter.
the port for this one?
Default port. The default port number I am giving 80. If you
Okay.
don't give the port, you cannot access the pod in a browser.
Okay. No, I mean the ports are defined two times here. One is port and one is container port.
Yeah. Under port section, container port. You are assigning a port to the container.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Now, just hit enter. Oh, you didn't save it. You just edited it, but you didn't save it. Give Control S.
Oh. Okay. Saved.
Now hit the command again. Yeah. Now kubectl get pods. No, get space pods. Now you will get two pods, Arun pod and Najesh pod, correct? See,
Yep.
you created one pod, one is ready. And what is the aging? 35 seconds and 18 seconds.
Okay. And this pod contains Nginx image or Nginx container.
Yeah. Now we don't bother about the container as of now in Kubernetes. We talk only what is a pod doing. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So now clear your screen.
Command. Okay.
Yeah, CLEAR. Yeah. Now kubectl. No, K for kilo.
Oh,
Kubectl. See, for the creation of pod, what is the command you have used? Create, correct?
great. Yeah.
For the deletion, delete.
Delete.
Simple. DELETE space hyphen F and the pod.yml. Hit enter. Now give kubectl get pods. So only Naz's pod would have been got deleted.
Get.
Okay, Arun pod is not deleted. Now you have to go to the file and make a change in name Arun pod and save the file again and delete the pod again. Now kubectl get pods again. So no resources means everything got deleted, correct?
Hmm.
Clear the screen again. Change the file to Najis pod again. Now run the command again.
And save.
Save the file, yeah. Whenever you do the changes to the file, you have to change it, right? Kubectl. No, don't use aparo down arrows. You have to type the commands because you have to get practice with it.
kubectl.
Kubectl.
ctl.
Yeah. Create. Kubectl create. See, remember just a simple thing, okay? For Kubernetes and all, you have to use kubectl. For Docker, you have to use Docker is a keyword. You remember
Okay. Yeah.
Docker, full Nginx,
Yeah. Yeah.
all those things. Now what you're doing, you're creating a component. So that's why you have to use a command called create. And hyphen
Hmm.
F, why hyphen F is pointing to file. What is a file? You are trying to create a Kubernetes component with the help of a file. What is that YAML file? YAML file is pod.yml. That's it. Hyphen F,
Hmm.
pod.yml. Hit enter. The Nazis pod got created. Now how do you delete it? kubectl delete hyphen F pod.yml. Before that, you need to verify kubectl get pods.
Right.
So my question is, rather than deleting through file, can we delete through command directly? Yes. Kubectl, you know the command kubectl delete hyphen f pod.yml, correct? But don't use hyphen f now. Space kubectl delete space. After deleting, pod space pod name Najis pod. You understand the command, what is happening here?
Yeah, we deleted
Pod.
the pod
Yeah, you
directly
delete the
rather
pod
than
in two
pointing
ways.
to the file.
No, no. Now you are not pointing to the file. You're giving the pod name directly here.
Mm. Yeah.
Now create again kubectl create fnf pod.yml again. No, no, hyphen f. Hit enter. Yep. Now you have created a pod. Now give kubectl get pods. I want to see the Nodges pod is running or not. It's running, right? Now you can
Mm.
delete through file kubectl delete hyphen f pod.yml. See, observe the difference between the above delete, kubectl delete pod name, kubectl delete hyphen f file name. So you can delete the component with the pod name, you can delete the component with the file name. You got it?
Mm.
Do you observe the difference here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you explain
So
me what?
like
If you
in
want to create, you have to create through file. If you want to delete, you can delete through file. But if you want to delete by using the name of the component in Kubernetes, yes, you can delete it. Kubectl delete. You have to give pod. You're deleting a pod, so that's why you're mentioning a pod name.
but yeah.
Is this clear for you now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Or you want to do one more time?
I know this is pretty much clear, yeah.
Pretty much clear, right? Like,
Yeah.
let's clear this and go to replica set.
Replicaset.
Okay, let's have a walkthrough. Can you maximize the screen?
Is
Yeah, yeah, perfect. So API version V1. What is the replica set here? Kind is a replica set. So which means we are going to create a replica set. What is the meaning of replica set?
no idea.
Replica set means duplicate.
Okay.
For example, Najish is there. I want 100 Najish. Then what do I have to do? I have to create a clone of Najish. Each country one Najish. Like that, replica set is a duplicate component of a same pod. Now, how many pods you need? 3 pods. What is the pod name? Aruna RS. Replica set we are using. Hello.
Okay.
The
Yeah, yeah.
name is Arun RS. The replica set
Yeah.
is, and the selector matching label is app nginx. Now see the from the template section. Okay.
Hmm.
From line number 10. From line number 10 to line number 19. It's a pod template, which means
Okay, okay.
you are telling to Kubernetes, this is my pod template. I don't want a single pod. I want replicas of same pod, 3 pods. You got it? And
Okay. So
moreover, you don't need to remember all this syntax. If you know how to read it, that's more than enough.
okay. So in the previous thing we just created one pod.
Yeah. Now we are
But
going
in
to create a
this,
3 pods.
okay.
If you make it here 30 pods will create it because you want duplicate.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Make it 10. Let's make it interesting. Make it 10. Yeah, save it, save the file. Rather than Arun RS, give your name, Najis RS, so that it will be very practical to us while we doing the lab. Okay. Now you know the command, right? To create kubectl. Did you save it?
Yeah,
Don't
saved it, yeah.
don't forget to save it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kubectl space create -f and the file name replica set.yml.
Is it created
Can
or
you
created?
scroll,
Okay.
scroll it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now what you need to give the command kubectl get rs. No, 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 not pods. See, you're creating replica set, right? You have to give rs.
Okay, but they are still counted as pods, but in the command line you have to give rs.
Yes, yes, yes. See,
Okay.
Najis rs, desired 10, current 10. This replica is having 10 pods. Now give kubectl get pods. Now see, after Najis rs, you got some unique number.
Okay, yeah.
And this unique number, how many totally count? There has to be 10 actually.
Hmm. Yeah, it should be 10, yeah. Yep,
See,
10.
ready is a out of 1, how many is ready? 0. You have to wait for some time.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, might take some time.
Yeah. If it, give kubectl get pods again. See, all our image pull back off. It's getting ready actually, taking time. Because you have created 10, right? So it takes time. Let's give a pause of 1 minute and then give the kubectl get pods again. Now count the time, whatever the time you have, give a 1 minute of time. So meanwhile, you can hit a command like kubectl get rs.
50, I said, okay.
Kubectl get pods. Hmm.
Still taking time.
So something error image pull back off. Can you go up on the file? Uh, Scroll down. Okay. Copy this everything. Kubectl get pods output. Give it to Copilot and ask, can you help me to resolve this issue? No, all the 10 pods.
Right.
Come down. Your image name, no, your image name followed by specific error manifest for not found. The typo in the image name, the registry, network firewall. Come down. Immediate troubleshooting steps. Come down. Open the YAML file rs.yaml. Fix the image line. Okay, can you go to Visual Studio? Image name. Oh, okay, okay.
Latest.
Yeah, we are using HTTPD. Can you change that to Nginx? See, we are calling Nginx and we have given the name of image as a HTTPD. That's wrong actually. Yeah, now save the file. This is how you need to troubleshoot, okay? Just save the file and kubectl uh, create -f and then the name again.
already. Oh, I think I saved it and
Just go up. No. Go in the file. Go up. We have to change the name there. In the file, go up. Yeah. Najis -rs. Give -01. Yeah. Save it and run it again. Okay. kubectl get rs.
so this one is getting ready.
In the ready column, you see one pod is getting ready. Now give
Mm,
kubectl get pods.
all
Yeah,
running.
not of one running.
Probably might take some time.
No. See, all the 10 got ready. 01, you have to check the 01 only, not the one which you violated with the Najis RS. Najis RS is something wrong. Okay, you leave that.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Okay, this one's right. Yeah. Yep,
Okay,
all 10 running.
all are
Yeah.
running and one out of one. Now, the beauty I'll tell you here. Now, copy this entire stuff into the notepad.
Uh, this one, the
Yeah, yeah,
from command line.
yeah.
Okay.
Into the notepad. Now, see, we requested for 10 pods, right?
Yep.
So, how the Kubernetes work is, my boss told me to manage 10 pods. See, this meeting is getting ended. I'll share you the new link. It's less
Okay.
than. So, my boss told me to create a 10 pods. If something goes wrong with the existing pod, if two pods got deleted, Kubernetes will create a new two pods. You no need to take any action.
All right. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
So
showing
if it
less than.
fails or crashes for any reason.
Yeah, it will create automatically on its own.